On the Volvo S80, I've got this micro switch to open the boot, which is broken off inside. The whole time I've had this car, for 2 years, I've had the part in the boot, which the previous owner kindly left in with the car, and I'm only just getting round to it because I'm prepping the car for sale. And it looks like a 2-minute job. I've got 4 T25 torque screws. And it looks like the new fitting even comes with the number plate lights attached. So I'll probably just have to drop this down and fit the new connection. So this is the new part, genuine Volvo. And it looks like just fit that new connector. Does this trim need to come off? It looks like this trim might need to come off. So I had a look online, and what I can see is this trim seems to slot into the handle, this part that I'm trying to replace, this way, the same way that the grill's used to on the P2 Volvos. But I'm really struggling to separate it. I'm concerned I'm going to break something, but that's the way that it seems to need to be pried off. In these 4 positions that you can see sticking out here, there's another clip underneath pushing into it, but I feel like I'm going to break it. It feels like the middle ones come out, not the edge ones. There we go. I think it's glued as well. Oh, this one is. That's all the clips out. And whether it'll just slide out of there, I don't know. Seems very odd. I think the reason the trim isn't off fully at this end is it must have been coming off, so I think it's been glued. But here we are, we've got the connector going a long way inside. So it looks like we need to take the inner panel off just to get the connector off. I think someone might have tried to do this before and struggled to get the clips off because they're horrible. There's another one here. But we already know what's going to happen, don't we? That one actually came out. Just get it down far enough that I can get to the connector. That'd be enough. Even that's clipping in position there. And those clips are actually alright. Not mind them. there. Feed that connector down into there. Don't want to go up. See if we're anywhere near. Can't even feel it. Oh, there it is. Ow. Somewhere in that hole up there. Ow. There we go. Alright, so I can feed this back into position and get it screwed back in. Handle in the correct place. Trim clip back in, even though I didn't make a sound, but it is clip back in. Probably should test it first, but I imagine it'll work with it being a genuine part. I replaced all the trim and what's left of the clips. Not even working. So that's how to replace it for it then not to work. Good luck. So I calmed down, found my patience and took off the trim inside again, and what had happened was I hadn't pushed the wiring connector on properly. So everything's working fine now. And this is just typical of the job. Quick jobs like this end up being much harder than jobs that you know take much longer. I can get an engine out of a BMW in 4 hours, but little jobs like this will defeat me sometimes. But at least you've got an accurate representation of how the job is. Those clips are absolutely horrible, and you now know that obviously this piece of plastic trim does need to come off. But yeah, thanks for watching, good luck, and I hope it's helped.